this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to talk about how Altcoin Alert's trading activity sort on its database helped me find two excellent day trades. So let's go to the Altcoin Alert website. Okay, so here we are on the Altcoin Alert website. Now, I think everybody's first impulse, it was certainly mine when I first started using this, is to go to this upper left corner and look at the top 5 AA scores and then evaluate these. I have found that a lot of times these coins are not on Binance or Coinbase Pro or exchanges that I frequently trade. Today's slightly different because XRP is one of the major coins and it's been in the news quite a bit lately. And Skycoin, I actually own some of this on a long-term trade. So, but generally, at least in my experience, there aren't always coins in here to trade. So I think Aaron suggested sorting based on trading activity, social activity, some of these other sorting options that we have in this program. I've been using trading activity a lot, and today I use it to find trades in Matic and ADA-Up. I did save a screenshot from Matic this morning, so let's go check that out. Okay, so here we are on the Matic screenshot from this morning. It was around 9 a.m. And this is a coin I've traded many times in the past, pretty much since I started trading in late 2019, so I'm very familiar with it. I see that it's in a trading range. It's towards the high side, but I know it's traded higher than this before. Plus, I've got fire readings on both social activity and trading activity, and then a neutral AA score. If this is, lower than neutral, I would probably disregard this trade. But I'm looking for at least a neutral AA score, and then a thumbs up or a fire trading activity. I'm not that concerned about social activity in this type of review. I'm not going to show you the chart because I've been doing a lot of up coins lately, but ADA-Up was one I found shortly after this. I didn't do a screenshot, but I did very well on this coin in addition to Matic. So let's go over to the Matic chart. Okay, so here we are on the Matic chart, and on the 5-minute, it was around 9:15 or so when I was looking at Matic. I had updated my Fibonacci retracements. I'm not going to go into that right now, but I had decided that this was a recent high on the day chart, 0.02974. I wait for the candles to get above the SMA line, looking for a squeeze trade. I'm looking for these candles to punch up above the Bollinger Band and hit this recent high and go past it. I decided to play it safe and put my sell order just below that at 29.60. So I'm in at 27.58 at 9:23. I set my exit at 29.60. I benefit from some good luck. Shortly thereafter, the price spikes up, and I'm out in 36 minutes with a profit of 7.217%. And so that's a good day trade. If you can make 7% in less than an hour, that's good stuff. My ADA-Up trade had a similar configuration. It took most of the day, though. It didn't resolve till this afternoon. I'm making this video at 5 p.m. It resolved a couple hours ago, so I was in that trade for 5 or 6 hours. But I believe that was an 11% profit, so that was a good one too. So remember that for those of you in Altcoin Alert, and there are several different ways to sort the database. You don't need to just rely on the AA scores. The SIG devs are good too. I've talked about those. So anyway, that's all I have on today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you again soon. Bye.